Here's I'm gonna show you how to lock a password with PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So open the PDF with Adobe Acrobat and then go to File and open Properties. In here, select Security and click on this drop down next to Security Method. Select Password Security. And now enable this option, require a password to open the document, and in this document open password field, just go ahead and write your password and then click on OK, and again type your password for the PDF and click on OK. Click on OK. Now we have to save our PDF, so just go to File, click on Save As or Save, whatever you want, and rename your PDF file. Click on Save. Once saved, I'm just closing my PDF, going to my File Explorer, navigating to the folder, and here's the password protected PDF. Let's try to open it, and we can see the PDF asking the password to open. And that's how you can actually lock password PDF.